Okay, later today, Janet and I are going to make a ramp dinner. And it's ramps. It's not ransom. I don't care what you say. They're ramps. This is what they look like in the wild. This little patch I started. They're starting to spread out a little bit on their own. These little singles here. Got some clumps starting. Yeah. They've spread all the way over to there. There's some tops and stuff I cut up yesterday. Throw down here. They're starting to spread around. So, oh, stepped on one. What I'm hoping to do is for a future generation, I'm hoping they'll spread down over this hillside and out yonder, and 30 years from now, be harvestable. Of course, they are now, but I'm wanting them to get them going here. So that's what ramps look like out in the wild. So hey, cool. All right, now we're over here at the table where I'm cleaning them. I didn't get my ramps from there. I didn't get them there. I actually bought these. Let's just take this little ramp right here and get it lined up here. It's hard to see. A little bit of slimy stuff. I just pull it down, get a hold of. Paper towel helps you get a hold of. These are pretty small ramps, you can see. And then, once we do that, we'll just cut this little stuff off and you wind up with that. And we're going to eat this part of it. A lot of people eat the leaves, but these leaves are pretty wilted. They've been dug a while, so we're going to chop that up and put it in some eggs. We eat some of them raw. I already cooked some beans last night. Put about a half a cup of these in a 2-pound bag of beans worth. And that's what we're going to eat after a bit. Show you how to cook them. Different ways. All right. Talk to you in a little bit. Okay, for the video purpose, of course we'll have more later. Now I'll chop some of them up smaller, put them in some eggs. That's pretty much what they look like. I'll wash them off a little better. So there's your ramp. That's the part you eat. Like I said, a lot of people eat the leaves too, but my leaves are pretty wilted. They've been dug a while. They are not wild onions. They are ramps. Okay, folks? Don't insult us Appalachian Americans and call them wild onions. Okay? All right. Talk at you later. Show you how to cook these babies up after a bit. And what's left over there. All right, later. And as always, Trump 2020.